Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WooCommerce order workflows for fewer support issues, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the official WooCommerce website. Navigate to the extensions section in the main menu. In the search bar, type order workflows. Review the available options that appear in the search results. Choose a workflow plugin that suits your needs. Click on the plugin to view its details and features. Make sure to check user ratings and reviews for reliability. Once you've made your choice, click the Add to Cart button. Proceed to checkout and enter your payment information. After completing your purchase, you will see a download link. Click on the download link to save the plugin file to your computer. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to upload your downloaded plugin. Select the Upload Plugin button. Choose the plugin file from your computer and click Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Now, go to the plugin settings to configure your order workflows. Customize the workflows according to your business needs. Save the changes you've made in the settings. Finally, test the workflows to ensure they function correctly. Monitor support requests to see if the number decreases as a result. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.